We will set and confirm the alignment of the radar using the live data display. On the detection zone page, the map is shown along with the alignment red line. Enable the radar display and check to see if it aligns with the map. In this case, it seems that the alignment is 180 degrees out. To reset the alignment, simply click and drag on the red alignment line. The live data display will update. Now the alignment is correct. You can see the live data corresponds to the map. Bear in mind that the live data shows the current situation and the map photograph could be some months or even years out of date. In this case, we adjust the transparency and we can see the live data fade in and fade out. This confirms that the live data corresponds to the environment. Strong returns from large trees and buildings match. Edge of the building, large tree, the edge of the long building, another large tree, and the corner of the environment clearly match the map, therefore the alignment is correct. We can press save